Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! And today I am going to talk about the 1, 2, 3 things that make the difference in someone scaling their business to six figures and someone that doesn't. Well, one of the 3 things I've noticed out of all the years I've been doing this, the individuals, the actual entrepreneurs that really scale their businesses, there's 3 main things that they do. Of course, they've got the mindset right. I cannot emphasize that absolutely has to be right. They have to be all in and not have one foot in and one foot out, and honestly believe that they're ready to make that shift. So once the mindset's right, let's say that 2 people have their mindset right. The next is the skill set. So you've got to have the mindset and the skill set. You just can't think about it and say I'm all in, but not have the skills to actually scale the business. And you can't have the skills and know what to do and not have the mindset to make you implement it. The mindset is what makes you implement it. And you do have to have 3 things to go together: the why, the what, and the how. You have to know why you want to do it. You have to know what you actually need to do, and then you need to know how to do it. And that is the difference between the actual entrepreneur to get to 6 figures and beyond, pow, and those that don't. They know why they want to do it, they know what they need to do, and they know how to do it. So if you'd love to know more, I'd love to show you the what, the why, and the how. Make sure you click to register for the free masterclass, and it's an actual blueprint on what I did to scale my cleaning businesses. Not 1, not 2, but 3 cleaning businesses in different states, different times, as recent as a year or so ago. So this isn't something that I did way back. It's something that works all the time. And if you understand the basics, they don't change. Basically, it comes down to 3 things you have to have. You actually have to have a way to attract your ideal customers. Then you have to have a way to convert them where they cannot wait to be your customer. And last, you've got to have a way to retain them. Can't have them leaving all the time. So once you understand that, and one of the ways you can do that is to actually click to register for the free masterclass. I will not keep you more than about 45 minutes, give you some things you can implement immediately in your business. So if you're interested in doing commercial, that's private when it comes to daycares or office buildings or warehouses, then make sure you click the link to register. I'd love to see you there. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.